what are the properties of a vectors addition we need to study. There are three properties about vectors addition, that is the properties of a vector addition. So what is the properties it satisfies? What are the properties it satisfies? So what is the first one? It satisfies the commutative property. The vector addition. This vector addition, it satisfies the commutative property. What is the commutative property here? A plus B. The vectors addition A plus B is equal to the B plus A. So this is the vectors commutative property, and this vector addition, it satisfies the commutative property. Then second one, it satisfies this vector addition, it satisfies the associative property. Associative property. So what is the associative property? We need to study about that. So here, for example, we are taking three vectors A bar, B bar, C bar. So these three vectors we are taking here. So this is the associative property, A plus B plus C. The addition of two vectors, it satisfies the associative property. It is A plus B plus C, because it is satisfied the commutative property. So at the same time also associative property also it satisfies. Then third one, it is the commutative property, it is satisfies, at the same time associative property also it satisfies. The third one, it is based on the vectors addition, it is distributive property. Distributive property. What is the distributive property? So what is the distributive property? We are taking here the n of A plus B is equal to the n of A bar, n into A bar plus n into B bar. So this is the distributive property. So these are the properties it satisfies. The vector addition satisfies the commutative property, associative property, distributive property. So what is the vector subtraction? The subtraction of a vectors. How we can find a vector subtraction? We need to study about that. So here, for example, a vector B, it subtract from A. The B bar, it is subtract from A vector. This is the subtraction of vectors. Subtraction, the vector subtraction, it is a B vector subtract from A vector. First we need to find the A minus B. This is also we can write A plus minus B. This is the vectors, two vectors I am taking. When the B vector subtract from A vector, we need to find the A minus B, or it also written as A plus minus B bar. So the vector subtraction also it satisfies the conditions. So what is the properties for that? The properties of a vectors addition is this. This one, first one, it non-commutative. Non-commutative means the non-commutative. Here it is not possible. A minus B, it is not equal to the B minus A. Non-commutative. Then second one, associative property. Associative property. So this is also non-associative, because A minus B minus C, it is not equal to the A minus B minus C. At the same time, distributive property, third one, it is distributive, because n of A minus B is equal to the n of n into A minus n into B. Only the vector subtraction it satisfies the distributive property. Only this property it satisfies. The subtraction it satisfies the only distributive property. Since this is the properties of a vectors addition and a vector subtraction. The subtraction of a vectors properties, and what is the subtraction, and what are the properties it satisfies. So this is the information about properties of a vector addition and at the same time properties of a vectors subtraction. Thank you all of you.